This is Brother Barnes. We're back to the aquarium funk saga. So let's talk about preparing a wet mount next. I have a slide and I have a cover slip. Remember, the cover slips are easily breakable, and if there's anything that will cut you, that could do it. So be very careful. So what I will do to help you out is I will suck some detritus from the very bottom. Notice that. But usually what I will do with my students, which I will probably do with you, is get a little piece of java weed. That's a pretty big piece. That'll work though. And then suck some detritus from the bottom and kind of get it from the bottom corner, because the heavier worms will fall to the bottom, to that bottom corner. So let's get a nice sample. That's not what I want. There we go. And then what we will do is squirt this funk onto the slide. There we go. Beautiful. Kind of nasty, but absolutely marvelous. Simply marvelous, darling. Then we will place the cover slip on top of the java weed and the detritus. And then on the microscope, what we will do is, I'm going to gently move this just a tiny bit, pull the clip back and slide the prepared slide so that it will be centered over the light source. Notice that I have the coarse adjustment knob with the stage cranked all the way down as low as it will go. I have engaged the lowest power objective. Make sure it clicks in. I'm going to look through this right ocular. I am really a bad example. I don't use the microscope in a stereoscopic way. I think I'm left eye dominant, so I always migrate to this right side. That's also where the pointer is located, which is important, because if I find something of interest, as I move the sample with the stage control knobs under the bottom, then I will place the object of interest directly under or at the end of the pointer. So let's talk about how to focus the microscope. What I do, once I get the slide centered with the stage control knobs, then with the coarse adjust knob, I will then slowly begin bringing the stage upward. It's moving upward right now until I get somewhat of a focus. And right there is a very beautiful focus. And I'm going to see if I can pan around and find something alive, which is the promise. Promise of this cheap and low budget aquarium funk experiment. I have located a rather active fish mite, I think. Kind of an arachnid looking thing, underwater arachnid. Clarity, please. Kind of gives you the creeps thinking about what could be in the lake with you while you're swimming around.